This is a video tutorial that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware called SYSDF. SYSDF is a ransomware that encrypts the files and damages the files essentially. Well, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this SYSDF ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer, and it is called like that, SYSDF, because it appends this SYSDF extension to the file names. It is not possible to open the files anymore. Then the ransomware reveals a special ransom note like that. It indicates that you need to pay a special ransom. But I urge you not to pay the ransom. There is no guarantee that you will get your files restored if you pay the ransom. Do not waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus application called Combo Cleaner. You will get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install it, and as you see, the software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know all their exact locations on your computer. Well, I recommend you to upgrade to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner helps to effectively remove the ransomware and to protect the data, even though it does not decrypt files. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.